just ended our day 2, our Jolly WrapUp conference. It was really indeed a jolly fest, and 2 days to go, so join!
Amazing crowd, super fun.
The energy from the Digital Nomad Week in June has carried on all the way through the year with the Ambassador Programme. This is an extremely good example of public-private partnership and how it can work in Croatia, and we really can make change.
It's been great to be here in Zagreb and see everyone that's been involved with the Digital Nomad story here, and we're really looking forward to what's coming in 2022 and beyond.
The Digital Nomad Association Croatia was thrilled to be part of this event today, the WrapUp event, but definitely not the end of the story here in Zagreb or in Croatia for digital nomads.
Zagreb is lovely.
Vibrant. Extraordinary.
Zagreb is delightful.
Zagreb is a thrill. Zagreb is beautiful.
It has been an awesome event. I hope to see you all in 2022.
Zagreb is where it all happens.